So now how to practice that? So now next one is very important. So now you might curious how to practice that. Very, very simple. So awareness is what? Knowingness, the nose, the mind which is nose. So now when you have thought, emotion, or something you see, something you hear, the sound, smell, taste, tactile, feeling, sensation, thought, anything appear in your mind, be aware of it. So maybe you can see my hand. Can you see my hand? So if you see my hand, now when you see my hand, this is the awareness. You are practice. You are meditating on my hand now, because I introduce you awareness. It's very important, interesting that our view and our motivation will change the quality of meditation. So if you just watch hand without knowing what is the awareness, then your meditation not become very profound meditation. So now you know awareness is important, and now you watch my hand, it's different because of your what we call view. View means understanding, the knowledge about awareness. It changes experience of your meditation. So now you can watch my hand. So you know you're watching the hand, right? So that's the practice of awareness. So now anything you see, anything you hear, smell, taste, sensation, thought, emotion, you can choose one first. Maybe form, maybe sound, and use that object as support for awareness. And that object become kind of like support for your awareness, or become kind of reminder of your awareness. Because our attention, the recognition of the awareness, not very long, we'll forget. So therefore we need some kind of support at the beginning. Form, sound, smell, taste, sensation, even thought and emotion, whatever appear in your mind, you just watch. What I'm thinking now? I'm thinking that. You just watch it. Don't try to create thought. Don't block thought and emotion. Just let it be. Let them come. Let them pass. If they come, if they continue, it's okay. You can watch. If you can watch, that means you are free. For example, if you can watch the river, that means you are out of river. If you fall into river, carried by river, you cannot watch river. So normally we are lost into thought and emotion, and carried by thought and emotion, so we are not free. So now as soon as you watch, you see thought and emotion, you are free. But there's one tricky part is, when you watch, thought is gone. Like you are waiting at the bus stop and waiting for a bus. As soon as bus come and you try to enter the bus just left. No bus. So if you have this kind of experience, very good. Then there's only mere awareness. that awareness doesn't have particular object. Mere awareness. Very good. So, mere awareness or awareness with object. Doesn't matter. Just watch. Be present.